multimedia system, the original from Honda City, had failed, so I decided to go for a different multimedia system. So this was the original Honda system. It had a 7-inch screen, and you see the parking button here. So when I decided to go for a 10-inch screen, I had to see how to get the frame for this and how the parking light will also be positioned if I go for a 10-inch screen. So I have a car accessories showroom near my house, Kalyani Car Jewels. So based on the different reviews I saw in the internet and YouTube videos and recommendations from the shop, I decided between Blaupunkt or Pioneer or Alpine, but then I decided to go for an Android based system, and I zeroed in on Blaupunkt KEY LARGO 980 10.1 inch screen, and after fitting it in my car, this is how the multimedia system looked like. So it's a nice 10-inch screen, and you can see the parking light has been now made vertical and has been so elegant. The frame that has been added on this system perfectly fits to the Honda City car, and the display and the music has been fantastic. You can see more reviews and more tips on Blaupunkt in my other videos. Thank you for watching.
Stars shining bright